These days, with the adoption of brushless motors, you're less likely to have to disassemble your power tools like impact drivers or drills. In some cases, you may have to. Like, let's say you're running your tools in a particularly nasty environment and you've just got grit or dirt or mud that somehow found its way into the body, or there's something else going on. Quick disclaimer, I'm not a power tool repair expert, nor do I claim to be one. All I want to do is demonstrate how easy it is to apply consistent torque to a handful of screws using the 59-piece TorqueVario set from Wiha. So I'm going to start the screws with this magnetic dual drive T-handle from Wiha, and once I'm close enough, I will apply final torque with the Wiha TorqueVario. There we go. Don't want to bore you here, so I might speed this up. Yeah. So the last couple I might show you the Wiha T10 screwdriver. Now I'll take my Wiha TorqueVario handle and get it set to the right torque setting. Next I'll take my 1/4 inch bit adapter, pop that in until you hear it click. Same thing with the insert bit. Now we're ready to go. And you should hear a click as soon as it hits that. There was a little slippage on my hand as I hit that 10 inch-pound mark. That's a good reminder that you're gonna lose a little bit of control on the high end of this smaller handle. I'll take my larger handle, swap the adapter and bit in there. This one's already preset to 10 inch-pounds. A little easier to achieve that click. I'll shut up so you can actually hear it. With the larger handle, it just feels easier. That click is actually torque limiting as well, so if you overcrank it, you're a little too excited, that's okay, it'll stop you. I got my final part of the assembly here, the rear cap. And just like I did before, I'll grab the T10 screwdriver. There it goes. One of my favorite things about this kit is the custom cut foam. There's a spot for everything. When you close the lid, you can very clearly tell that everything's put away in the right spot. Next time you have an important project that requires accurate and repeatable torque, be sure to grab the Wiha 59-piece TorqueVario set. This is the inch ounce and inch pound set. Keep in mind there's also a Newton meter set. Find it at wihatools.com or through your favorite Wiha distributor. Stay safe, keep up the great work, and we'll see you soon.